Welcome to Fevino, a leading name in solar energy solutions across India and now reaching global markets. Established in 2018, Fevino has become a trusted partner in lighting up spaces sustainably and effectively. At Fevino, we believe in the power of self-reliance. Our manufacturing unit is the backbone of our operations, where each solar light and battery is crafted with precision. As both manufacturers and innovators, we take pride in designing products that meet global standards, ensuring reliability and efficiency for all our clients. With over 60,000 installations across India, Fevino's solar lights illuminate streets, communities, and industries in nearly every state. With our corporate office at the heart of operations, we drive innovation, quality, and commitment to a brighter future. At Fevino, we're more than just a company. We're a movement towards sustainable progress. Our solar streetlights are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally responsible, harnessing the power of the sun to light up paths. No matter how remote, building on our success, we've now expanded beyond India's borders. Bring Fevino's trusted technology and exceptional service to international markets, with a clear vision and advanced manufacturing.
Hello, I am Rahul and I am proud to introduce Fevino, founded in 2018 by Mr. Arjun DK and myself. In just few years, we have illuminated almost every state in India with our solar streetlights, making a significant impact on communities and the environment.
Our mission is clear: to install 2 lakh plus solar lights in India and reach 100 crore in revenue by 2027. With the dedication of our team and the trust of our clients, I am confident we will achieve this milestone and continue to lead the way in sustainable lighting solutions.
We're set to meet the growing global demand for sustainable energy solutions. Our mission is to light up the world, powering growth, resilience, and a greener planet for generations to come.